crap.
Man, cut the crap. Did you
Cut the crap?
cut the crap?
Cut the crap, Mom.
Cut the crap, man.
Cut the crap, Sandra.
Cut the crap, Schwartz.
Cut the crap, Tanya.
Cut the crap, Torres.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap. Honey.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap.
Cut the crap.
Peter! Oh, don't give me that look, Tony. Give me that look.
Don't 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 give me that.
Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look.
Don't give me that look.
Don't give me that look.
Don't give me that look.
Don't give me that.
Oh, don't give me that look.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Got a bad feeling about all this.
I've got a bad feeling about this idea of yours.
I got a bad feeling about this.
I've got a bad feeling about this, Rachel.
I got a bad feeling about this.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I've got a bad feeling about this. Tengo un mal presentimiento.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I've got a bad feeling about this. I've got this bad feeling.
No ifs, ands, or buts. Just get moving. Agree, Miss Claudia.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
We're disoriented.
And I'm getting one. No ifs, ands, or buts.
Look, I need that title now, Pops. No ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts. It didn't hurt, I tell you.
No ifs, ands, or buts. I'm gonna be really anal about this.
Ands or buts.
No ifs, no buts, no coconuts.
Anybody want some more? You want some more?
You want me to get you some more?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want some more?
No.
Do you want some more?
I want some more. I want some more.
I want some more.
Okay. Who wants some more?
Want some more?